Hi foodies! For today's recipe, we'll be making a home-style tofu dish. First, prepare 2 pieces of hard tofu and cut them into half-centimeter thick squares. Place them into an air fryer at 180 degrees for 12 minutes until they turn a light golden color. If you don't have an air fryer, you can achieve the same results by pan frying both sides in cooking oil over medium heat. Once the tofu is prepared, let's move on to the sauce. Cut 2 garlic cloves and 1 scallion into small pieces. Add 2 soup spoons of Sichuan fermented chili paste, 1 teaspoon of ketchup, 4 teaspoons of kikkoman soy sauce, and half a teaspoon of Chinese mushroom soy sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of mushroom stir-fried sauce. One teaspoon of Sichuan pepper powder. And 2 teaspoons of potato starch. Blend everything well with some water. Heat up some cooking oil in a wok or pan over medium heat. Then add in the Sichuan fermented chili paste and cook until the oil turns red. Next, add the garlic, scallions, and the Sichuan pepper and blend everything well. Pour in the mixed soy sauce and blend again. Then add the golden tofu and mix everything well. Add some water so that the tofu can be cooked and become soft. Add the ketchup and mix well. Pour the watery potato starch slowly around the tofu, rather than in the middle, as this will help to thicken the sauce. Last but not least, add the green part of the scallion. The dish is now ready to serve. It tastes spicy and a little sweet. Overall, very tasty. I added ketchup, mainly because my kids prefer it. A few tips. The main ingredients are Sichuan fermented chili paste, garlic, scallions, and kikkoman soy sauce. So, if you don't have some of the other ingredients, you can still make the dish tasty. In my opinion, Chinese cooking is very flexible. You can add or take away ingredients, mix and match. And there are no rules for any dish, as long as you love it yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video and find it useful. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Bye!